Hey everyone, my name is Jacob from Getz Handyman. I own and operate a handyman business in Las Vegas for the last 5 years, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about marketing and how much it's important to your business. When I first started my business, it was very hard for me to get new clients, and I didn't know where to start and how to get them. That's why I partner with a friend of mine, and together we develop a marketing company special for service people. Special for service people in the US that want to generate jobs and they are good in what they are doing. And today I'm going to show you exactly how we getting the jobs, how we getting rank organically, and how can you guys look at the system that we have and basically see how you improving from one month to another. So this is the Getz Handyman business. This is the handyman business that I have. Here I can see all the marketing, all the keywords and where are their position on Google. And we just started this business with our software, but you can already see how is it going up. Um, if you will go to analytics, you have here Google Analytics, you can get more information on where the leads coming from. If it's paid search, if it's organic search, direct, referrals, and that way you can analyze your data and improve it from one month to another. You can go into organic searches, you can go directly to paid searches and get information on all of those things. Now organically, if I will write handyman Las Vegas, Get handyman will be in Google guarantee number 1, average position number 9. On the map I'm getting myself number 1, and here I'm getting myself number 9. Handyman near me. Handyman near me. Gets handyman number 10 in the map number 1, and on organic searches we are number 10. So Get Site, it's basically a company that we develop, me and my partner together, to help service people to get more leads. We're doing organic marketing, SEO, that you can track us and you can see all the results in one place. We're also offering PPC, managing of campaign services, that you can sync it with the same software and see exactly where the leads came from, how much time the call lasts, see what time the call was, see from which source it came from, if it's Google ads, if it's organic, and those things can help you improve yourself. Regardless to that, you have the options to see all the keywords all the time and where you are ranking in them. This was a short video of Get Site and how our marketing agency is working. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know.